Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Soji, and the good people at Oraimo reached out and sent me the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro. And I must say I'm very impressed with the smartwatch, especially now that I'm trying to be more health conscious, like eating right, working out and all that. This is going to be a plus, at least for me, in terms of how I want to get my health going. In the box of the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro, you'd find the smartwatch, a user manual, and a magnetic charger for easily charging the device. You charge the device by snapping the pins or aligning it at the bottom of the watch to begin charging. Now this has a 2.5D 1.75 inch display, so it's big enough to navigate the interface. It's also very bright. It actually has 5 brightness levels, so if you're indoor or it's in the evening and you feel like it's a bit too bright, you can reduce it. Also, if you're outside, the visibility is just impressive. I love the fact that this has a rubber strap and you can actually replace it if you want. So if you have, let's say, a leather strap or a metal strap, you can actually replace the strap with ease. Moving on, I like the fact that the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro has IP68 water resistance, which is great because, I mean, if you're doing the dishes, you don't have to take the watch off because you're scared like it's gonna get like water into it and all that. If you're in the shower, that is fine. However, if you're going swimming, like especially scuba diving or like diving related kind of swimming, you need to be very careful with the watch. I'd advise you take it off and then put it back on when you're done diving. I like the fact that this also has a 7-day standby battery life, which is actually very impressive. Since I got mine, which I've had on my wrist for about 3 days, my battery percent is around 56 right now, which is actually 56%, which is actually impressive. Like, this thing has a lot of features which I'm going to dive next into, so you're going to understand why I'm very much impressed with the battery life, and you should too. So the first thing I like about the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro in terms of health wise would be the fact that it's able to measure your heart rate, which is something like everyone should be concerned about. I mean, if you're starting the health journey, you should start monitoring certain things about your health. And for me, blood is also very important. So this can also check your blood oxygen levels, which is very, very important and convenient. I like the fact that it also has a pressure management tool inbuilt. So this is kind of like a measure of your mental health, which is also very important. It has an option where it can guide you on how you can breathe in and breathe out, just so that you can relax, which is also very impressive. The Oraimo Watch 2 Pro has a companion app that you can find on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. It's called Oraimo Health, and it adds more functionality to the watch. I like the fact that with the Oraimo Health app, you can change the watch faces on your Watch 2 Pro with over 100 watch faces, which is incredible. So, I mean, it depends on what you're going for. If you're going for like a numeric vibe or a pointer vibe, if you're going for a colorful vibe, any kind of watch face you want, you're gonna find it within the app. Also, if you want to create a custom watch face, you can do so within the app conveniently as well. The Oraimo Watch 2 Pro has 120 plus training mode, so it doesn't really matter what you're trying to do. Are you walking, running, biking, swimming? Are you hiking? It can track everything, which for me is very convenient because you're not limited to what sports activity you can be involved in, which is a great thing. Now, another thing I like about the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro is the fact that it has a sleep tracker. Based on what I've read on the internet and what I've heard, health practitioners say, sleeping is actually very important. So if that is something that is also very close to your heart, I think, the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro is going to be like a big game changer for you. Now, aside its numerous health features, the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro also does a lot of other good things. For example, anytime you have a notification on your smartphone, you can actually see that on your watch. So you don't have to necessarily grab your smartphone. For example, you're studying or you're working and you don't want your smartphone to distract you, but then you want to be in the loop of what's happening on your phone, in your digital life. You can just check your notifications on your smartwatch without necessarily going back on your smartphone. Another thing I like about the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro is the fact that it has the Bluetooth call feature that allows you to pick calls or make calls on the Oraimo Watch only, just using Bluetooth. So to demonstrate that, we're going to click phone, and then we're going to see these options. We can actually dial the number we want to call, or we can go to contact and we'll see 10 of our favorite contacts we can call anytime. So these are usually contacts of people you call frequently, and you can edit that anytime using the Oraimo Health app. All you need to do is come to Bluetooth call, sync contacts, and then you can edit to select the 10 contacts that you think you'd frequently want to reach out to. So once you're done syncing the contacts, it appears on your smartwatch and you can call them anytime. So I'm just going to demonstrate a quick one. I'm going to call, say, MTN, or let me just call a friend, and then let's see how good the quality is. Hello, Kweku?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay, so what do you think about the sound quality?
It's good. It's just like you using the headsets.
Okay. Appreciate it. I'll call you back. Okay, bye. Now, the best part about the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro is the fact that it is very affordable. Now, this watch goes for 320 Ghana cedis. 320 Ghana cedis. Let's just go quickly over the features. It has blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, activity tracking, notifications from your smartphone, the ability to make calls on your smartwatch, answer them on your smartwatch. Like, it's crazy that this is 320 Ghana cedi. If I'm you, I would jump on it now. Now, that's not even the best part. The best part is that this has a discount. If you use the promo code SOJIGRAY at checkout, you get to enjoy an amazing discount on this guy. So the 320 Ghana cedi is even going to come a little bit lower for you to purchase it. I see this device as a very important device that I would buy for my mom, my grandmom, people I care about that I'd want to keep track of their health. I'm going to get this for them because it's just so affordable and it has a ton of features that are actually really helpful. I go by the name SOJIGRAY. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them about the Oraimo Watch 2 Pro, and I'll catch you guys in another one. Peace out.